The secret to youthful vitality, unlocking the power of collagen. Do you dream of having radiant, youthful skin? The secret lies in a protein naturally found within your body, collagen. Collagen is the most abundant protein in our bodies, acting like a glue that holds everything together. It's the secret ingredient that keeps our skin firm and elastic, our joints flexible, and our bones strong. Without enough collagen, our bodies start to show signs of aging, like wrinkles, sagging skin, and stiff joints. The good news is that we can replenish our collagen levels through diet, lifestyle changes, and supplementation. Let's embark on a journey to discover how you can harness the power of collagen to transform your health and well-being. Understanding collagen, the building blocks of your body. Collagen is often referred to as the glue that holds our bodies together. This fibrous protein is the main structural component of various connective tissues throughout our body. There are different types of collagen, each with its unique role. Type 1 collagen, found in skin, bones, tendons, ligaments, and teeth. Type 2 collagen, primarily found in cartilage, the flexible tissue that cushions our joints. Type 3 collagen, supports the structure of muscles, organs, and blood vessels. Understanding the different types of collagen is essential for making informed choices about how to best support your overall health. Nourishing your body from within, natural sources of collagen. Boost your collagen levels by incorporating collagen-rich foods into your diet. Bone broth. This nutrient-dense broth is a powerhouse of collagen. Fish. Fish with bones and skin, such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are excellent sources of collagen. Chicken, particularly the skin and cartilage. Egg whites are a good source of proline, an amino acid essential for collagen production. Enjoy these foods to support healthy collagen production from the inside out. By incorporating these collagen-rich foods into your diet, you can provide your body with the essential nutrients it needs. Boosting collagen production, fueling your body's natural processes. Enhance your body's natural collagen production by incorporating foods that support this process. Citrus fruits. Vitamin C is crucial for collagen production. Leafy greens, packed with vitamin C and antioxidants that protect collagen from damage. Berries, loaded with antioxidants that fight free radicals which can break down collagen. Stay hydrated. Water is essential for maintaining skin elasticity and supporting collagen production. Protect your skin from the sun. UV rays can damage collagen fibers. Get enough sleep. During sleep, our bodies repair and regenerate tissues, including collagen. By nourishing your body with the right foods and adopting healthy lifestyle habits, you can empower your body to produce collagen naturally. The collagen transformation, from radiant skin to enhanced well-being. The benefits of collagen extend far beyond just improving the appearance of your skin. Collagen plays a vital role in maintaining the health and function of various systems throughout your body. Skin health. Collagen provides elasticity, firmness, and hydration. Hair and nails. Collagen provides strength and structure to hair and nails. Joint health. Collagen is a major component of cartilage, the cushioning tissue in our joints. Bone health. Collagen provides a framework for bone mineralization, keeping bones strong and healthy. Incorporating collagen into your routine can lead to a transformative improvement in your overall health and well-being. Embrace the power of collagen's simple steps for a healthier you. Now that you understand the remarkable benefits of collagen, let's explore practical ways to incorporate it into your daily routine. Collagen supplements, available in various forms like powders, capsules, and liquids. Powders, add a scoop to your morning coffee, smoothie, or yogurt. Capsules, a convenient and tasteless option. Liquids, pre-mixed and ready to drink. Topical collagen products, provide additional benefits to the skin's surface. DIY collagen boosting recipes. Try a turmeric bone broth latte or a berry collagen smoothie. By embracing the power of collagen through a holistic approach, you can unlock a healthier, more youthful, and vibrant you.